Hello, I'm Dan from ASV Rentals and Sales, and I'm standing next to our number 16, a Winnebago Travato. Today I'm going to be showing you the inside, the outside of this Class B, and it's really simple actually. Starting off in the back here, Class Bs usually have a bathroom in the back that opens out. Right up over here, we've got jacks, we've got a tire pressure sensor, and we've got the equivalent of an outside shower for another RV that we'd hook up right here. This here activates a porch light on the driver's side. This here activates the water pump. This here is a little porch light over here. This here is just a cigarette lighter, charger. And here are two 15 amp 110 volt outlets. On the right side, first off, we have a pair of 15 amp 110 volt wall outlets. You have a few other kinds of chargers right here. And we have an outlet for the solar panel. That's it for the passenger side. We're going around the front over to the driver's side. First off here, you've got your gas tank right here. It's just regular gas, not premium or diesel. You have to open the driver's side door in order to open this though. Next up is your TV cable inlet with that black wire. You can just hook this up when you're at a campsite and you'll get all the local channels. This here is your 30 amp outlet. I'll be able to give you the 30 amp cord as well as a 30 to 15 amp adapter. Down here is going to be your propane tank. This will power things such as the stove, the oven, the water heater, and the fridge. This right here is your dumping hose. You can just take this out and you'll hook it up all the way back here. Just like any other RV, you have a black tank and a gray tank. You can just open it and close it, hook this up here, and put this part in a hose in a hole in the ground. Next up, you have your city fill and your tank fill. The city fill is going to bypass the water tank and go straight into the pipes when you're hooked up. And the tank fill will be your water tank when you're not hooked up. Over here is just a furnace exhaust. Just don't touch it. That's all there is to it. And for customers, I wouldn't worry about this right here. This is just how you flush out the tanks when you get back for cleanliness purposes. And now that we're done with the outside, we're going to head inside. Right down here, next to your entrance, next to your fire extinguisher, you've got your coach battery switch, you've got the main power switch, you've got a GFCI outlet, and you've got your controls for your awnings with the LED lights and how to extend and retract your awning. Now here's the control panel. It may seem a bit difficult at first, but the customer really only has to know about this and this. This right here will start and stop the generator. The meter button here will tell you how long the generator's been running total in hours. The water pump here will turn on and off the water pump. The tank level will tell you the levels of the propane, the fresh water, the gray and black tanks, and the battery level will tell you how charged the battery is. Down here is how you will turn on the water heater. You just go to this temperature button right here and turn it to hot. Coming from the control panel here, down here you have a carbon monoxide alarm, and up there you have a smoke alarm. Also in the middle of the cabin you have two twin beds right here, and the items down here you can use to create a table. Up here are standard Class B cabinets. In order to open them, you just push this button down here, open up this handle, and to close it, make sure it connects to the latch and push it down again. Next, up on the ceiling here is your AC unit. In order to use it, you just turn this knob 180 degrees. Just make sure you're plugged in or the generator is working for this to work. Over here, you've got a radio / DVD player. And down here, you have your manual for the Winnebago. Below this here, you've got your TV with a USB insert. In the back here, opening this up, you have your bathroom with a bit of bathroom storage here. You've got your toilet back here, shower over here, and this little cabinet pops open to become a sink. Up here, you've got your TV antenna. You have to crank this one way and the other to raise it and lower it. And over here, you've got your standard kitchen with your sink, your stove. This one does not have an oven. You've got your fridge and your microwave. This here is kind of a semi-cutting board and a little extra table space. And that about wraps it up for this RV. Our number 16 Winnebago Travato. So just remember to drive safely and enjoy your adventure with Ace RV Rentals and Sales.